teacher. Today we will introduce about prototype of BeeKey application. BeeKey is the freelance application on Android platform. Now let's click to BeeKey icon to use this app. First screen we want to introduce is the login screen. In this, we have username text box, password text box, login button. Forget password and sign up to become a newbie. In password text box, we have the I button. If you click there, you can see password in text. It helps you easier to check your password. If you want to create a new BeeKey account, click to sign up. This is the second screen of us. Fill on blank, you will become a BeeKey member and click sign up. Turn back to login screen. Click to forget password if you forget it, but sorry, we don't have this function. Are you ready to come main screen? Let's click login.
So after we have logged in, the first screen will be the profile screen. On the screen, it will display the user information such as the username, the email, the phone number, and the money the account is having. The BeeKey account can be used as either a client or a lancer. As a lancer, we can view all the feedback from the client. And the application provides the basic service for the classer, such as search for a new task and viewing the task they are doing. So to search for a new task, we easily click on the lookup icon on the bottom bar and select the suitable category we want to take. For example, I want to take the task of desktop application development. So I just click here and it will list down the task in the pending status. So we want to take the BeeKey desktop version, for example, I just click here and it will display the task information in detail, including the title, the description, the deadline, and of course the status will be pending, the starting price the client wants to pay for us, the username of the client, the file attachment, and if we want to make a new offer to take the higher price, we can tap in this box to make the counter offer and also the reason why we want it to be higher. After that, we just easily click on the make offer button. And after we click on the make offer button, the counter offer will send to the client. So after a long time the offer is accepted by the client, we can view our doing task by click on the ongoing task button. And on the my task screen, it will display on the task in the doing status, which has the orange color, and the task we have done on the light blue color. On both kinds of the tasks, we can chat with the client and view the information of the client by clicking on their name. Here, this will display the information of the client.
As a client, you can post a task, so you can look on the bottom bar there is a plus item. You can click on it and you will be navigate to the post start screen. Here you can fill the title, the description, and you can choose the category for your request. For example, here I choose mobile application, and you can also choose the deadline, and you can choose the file to attach to describe clearly your request. And sure, you can make a starting price. So after you finish all, you can click on the post button. After finish posting, you will navigate back to the profile screen, and here you can view your request by clicking on the my request here. So you will be navigate to the screen like this, and you can see that the request which is color with the color blue is the request that is done, and which is color with the orange, it means it is ongoing request, and the request that is not colored by any color, you can see here is white, it means it is pending. So I will try click on the request that is ongoing here. So here you can see that this is because this is an ongoing request. You can confirm that it is done when you receive the submission from the Lancer. Here click on confirm, and you can click accept to show that you confirm that the task is finished. So it will navigate to the feedback screen, and you can tap whatever you want to feedback about your Lancer and click send. So how about the pending request? So we'll try to see it here. You can see that the status is pending. So there can be many Lancer that is who is offering to receive the request from you. So you can view the offer here. And for example, I will see the counter offer list of Thanh Hoàng. You can accept. Okay. So after you accept, the request will change. The status will change to ongoing. And with the request that is done, here I will try to see on the chatting screen. Here you can see the message from your Lancer and you. And for example, I want to send him a message. So I just tap here and click the send button. So my message is sent.
In the application settings, we have the avatar and the account name here. When we want to log out our account, we just press the log out button. In the settings section, there will be 5 different items here. You can change your personal information here. You can change your name and your phone number, then press the change button. The information will be changed. Next, we can change the password here. Changing the password requires re-enter password, and the password will be hidden. So we need to click on this eye icon to have us to see the password details, and then press the change button to finish. We recheck account by clicking here. Select the amount you want to top up and press top up button to complete. Otherwise, we can return the setting if we don't want to top up, and especially when we have a problem about the app or something, we can click help and support to get help from the admin. Especially here, we will type the problem we are facing and press the submit button to send this to admin. And finally, the introduction information about the application here. There is no currently specific content, so we leave it for no function.